Alright, welcome guys. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look and start using the new program, CAD program called Inventor. Now it does pretty much the same things as Fusion, except it's going to look a little bit different. But again, that's the point. The reason why we're switching is, again, you're going to be using this program throughout your sophomore, junior, and senior year, and you're going to take the certification test for this software called Inventor. So in today's video, we're going to start practicing by sketching the tuning fork in Inventor. Okay, so if you are in this menu, we're going to go ahead and click that we want to do a part. Okay, so now here again, the layout might look a little bit similar, a little bit the same, a little bit different. Let's go ahead and start a new sketch. Right, the little green plus sign. Now this is just telling us, it's asking us again, do we want to do our sketch on the front plane, right, on the side plane, or on the top plane, the top view, right? So it's the same thing, it just looks a little bit different here in Inventor. Let's go ahead and click the front view, right? So now here we're gonna go ahead and create. We're going to go ahead and create a rectangle. If I click here, there's different types of rectangles. I want to select the, where is it? The center point, 2-point rectangle. So I'm going to click the center point here. I'm going to go ahead and start my rectangle from my tuning fork. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click create, and I want to click my circle. Again, you have different options for a circle. I'm going to click center point circle. I'm going to have my center point here at the bottom. And then once it stops here on the edges, I want to press stop right there. Again, all I have to do is press escape and I get out of that command. So now I'm going to move my tuning fork a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and create a line. So I'm going to go ahead and start here. I'm going to click, I'm going to zoom out, and then I'm going to move my tuning fork so I can have a better angle. I'm going to continue building my tuning fork. Here it tells me that it's aligned, right? And then I'm going to go here. I'm going to wait for the line. The line's telling me that it's aligned to the left side. Now I'm going to go ahead and click and hold my left click to make a little arrow, right? To make an arc. There we go. So I'm going to continue with that. So again, it's left click and hold to make an arc. I'm going to finish my tuning fork. I forgot how big this side was. I'm going to go ahead and click there. There's a line, and then I'm going to go ahead and click there, right? Okay, so now we are done with our tuning fork. Now the last part is going to be to add your name, right? Again, so now you're going to have to go ahead and create a text box here. There we go. All you're going to do is add a text box, and here you're going to go ahead and type your name, right? So I'm gonna add your name, add your full name, right? So I'm gonna put a little star there. There we go, and then it should appear here. Add your full name, right? So now you're gonna go ahead and save it, right? Actually, you're going to go ahead and exit, finish sketch. And now if I zoom out a little bit, you should see your name here. There we go. So now you're going to go ahead and save it. File, save as. Right, you can give it a different name. Tuning fork, Inventor, right? Part 1 or part 2. Okay, so now you can save it wherever you need to save it. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and click save. And now you can go ahead and take your full Windows screenshot and turn it in for your assignment. Okay. Now again, make sure it has your name. If it doesn't have your name, I'm going to go ahead and return it and ask you to add your name. Okay. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.